Now, I want you to forget about pivots for a minute. Just let pivots clear your mind of pivots, because what we're doing right now is pre-pivot analysis. Some of us, we need to know what's going on before a pivot forms. We need to understand how to track the market or track the trend so that we can trade in line with the trend. And forgetting about pivots for a while, I want to say this. For right now, if you consider a trade, only trade on a breakout, meaning that if you're going to buy, only buy after a breakout of the high. And a breakout means this high. Look at this high here. When price goes above and closes above the high, you have a breakout, and that's a buy signal. If price breaks below the low, that's a sell signal. And let's go back, if we were to just look at this chart and go back and see how just that alone would keep us on the right side of the market. Look right here. When price closed below this low, price continued down. When price closed below this low, price continued down. When price closed above this minor high, price continued up. When price broke below this low, price continued down. And you can do that all over the chart. Let's go back here. When price broke above this high, price continued up. And when price broke below this low, price continued down. And when you understand that, and you can put that together when trading in line with the trend, for example, when we look here, this was a higher high, but then a lower low. But this is the major high. So we've got a move up over a minor high, then we've got a lower bottom, then we've got a lower move up here. But now, once price broke here, because this major high is lower than this major high, and this bottom is lower than this bottom. The very first time a lower high appears, then a lower low appears, you have a trend change. But now that tells you direction, but that doesn't tell you where you should enter, where you should place your stop, and where you should take profits. Because once price breaks below this low, you know it's going to continue down, but how far? Where would you consider that it would stop? We know when price breaks above here, that's a buy signal, and that signifies a change from a downtrend to an uptrend. But once we see this close above the high, where do we enter? Where do we place our stop? Where do we take our target? And these things are best understood in the context of support and resistance.